Today I was thinking about what it means to know what something is. I was thinking about electrons because, physics, and I was thinking we don't really know what an electron is, but we do in some way because we can describe how electrons behave. We use electrons in our technology like electronics, but we don't really know what an electron is. And I realized my question is, what is an electron made of? And it's kind of interesting. There are different ways of knowing something. And that sense of what is an electron made of is a question where you're breaking things apart. But when you break things apart, sometimes you don't understand what something is. You lose what something is. So consider, let's say, a bird, right? If you break down what a bird is, right? A bird has feathers. It's got bones. It has a beak. And you break it down. Like imagine you have a dead bird, very morbid. You split it up into pieces, like an anatomy class or something. Do you know what a bird is now that you know all the pieces that make up the bird? No. Like if you brought somebody, from another planet who didn't know about birds and you showed them the pieces, would they understand that a bird, flies in the sky? No. So sometimes breaking things apart actually means you know less about what something is. And it's only in the case of a bird, by seeing the bird fly, that you know really what a bird is. So it's kind of interesting. I don't really know what I'm doing with that, but I was pondering it that I'm not satisfied with the electron because I don't understand what it's made of. And yet I'm happy with understanding what a bird is, even though I don't really know exactly what a bird is made of. I've never dissected a bird, and in some sense I don't need to know because the bird flies, and that's really the essential knowledge for me about what a bird is. So, interesting thought.